In this video, I'll show you how to convert HEIC files to JPG or any format you need completely for free and without installing any extra software. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Now let's dive right into it. As you can see on my computer, I have an image file here. When I click on it, you'll notice that the file format is currently set as HEIC. We're going to convert this file type to JPG format. To do this, the first thing you want to do is open the image. Then right-click on it and select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, you can rename the file. I will rename is to JPG. Just below the file name, there's an option called Save As Type. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several format options. You can choose any of these. I'll choose JPG from this list, then click on Save. Now let's check to make sure it worked. Here's our file. It's saved as a JPG. And when we click on it, you can see that the file has successfully converted from HEIC to JPG format. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up.